Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with egg yolk. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are chilled in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This helps the cream whip up faster and hold its shape better. Now, let's temper those egg yolks. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together the 2 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Place this bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Continue whisking constantly until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit and thickens slightly. This ensures the eggs are safely cooked. Remove from heat and whisk until cool and pale yellow. Once your egg yolk mixture is cool, it's time to combine it with the cream. In your chilled bowl, pour the 1 cup of heavy cream and whip it on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. Then, gently fold in the tempered egg yolk mixture and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whipping until the cream holds firm, yet still light peaks. Your delicious, stabilized whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for topping pies, fresh fruit, or hot beverages. For best results, serve it immediately. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. And hey, while you're enjoying your treat, why not make cleaning easier? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a real game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.